Hi friends, here's a new recipe to try. It's for carrot cake cupcakes. I'm sure all of you have made some that are chocolate or vanilla or any kind of thing, cupcakes that you like, but give it a try for carrot cakes. And to make cupcakes, you need different utensils. Utensils are things that you use like measuring spoons, bowl, measuring cup, or a spatula. So I can identify cooking tools. So you just cut them out and glue them up here, anywhere you want. The next page is fruit, not fruit. So look down here, which is fruit, you put it on the fruit side, and which is not fruit. For example, popcorn is not fruit, so it would go on this side. Have fun with that. Then we have a project of cupcakes. You look at the numbers, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's number 4. So you go up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You write the number 7 and do that for all of them. Then when you're done, you can either cut them out and glue them onto a page, or you can cut them out and put them into a headband. Your choice on how you want to do that. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.